This is Victoria again. Today is Friday the 13th. Oh my god, Friday the 13th. Welcome to my channel, which is Pinay Real Life in the USA. And today I'm gonna do juice. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm gonna make some juice today and also cook some smoked turkey with lima beans. And I'm going to strain this. So now I got this one red beets, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. And I also got the small ginger, and I'm gonna add them. I'm gonna blend all this to get the juice. I'm also gonna add this celery. They're like I think four stick stalks. And then 2 lemons, 2 bananas, and 3 halo tangerine, and 2 bananas. I'll go ahead and add some water. One water bottle. And close it and plug it in. Now I'm straining it. I'm going to put some ice cubes and honey. So I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of honey. This is the spoon. Now I'm going to go ahead and taste it. So now I'm going to go ahead and taste it. Masarap. Tastes so good. Now these, I'm going to put it in a jar for tomorrow. This tastes so good, y'all. So I'm enjoying my fresh, delicious juice. Red beets. And thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it. Please continue to support my channel, which is Pinay Real Life in the USA. And thank you. Y'all have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye-bye.